How to increase population in township. So first of all, you'll have to go to the game, and here at your top side of your screen you can see there's a population and your population cap. So in order to increase your population or your population cap, simply you'll have to build different buildings or housing that will increase space for your population or for your people to live in. So you can see at this cap section at the bottom right, there are different housing and community buildings, factories, different things. So you can go to simply housing and then build different of the houses. Also, of course, you must be in the required level in order to build them. Also, community building requires certain level, you must be level 5 and upward. Also, here you can see different factories you can unlock. So you can see you need 60 caps, so simply go ahead and build. So that will build it for you, and then your population will increase. So keep on building such monuments by pressing on this cap. So especially those housing community buildings will increase your population and population cap. That's how you do it. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.